Hello again, guys. So in this tutorial, we will install the DoctrineFixtures bundle. This bundle, as is mentioned in the Symfony documentation, it loads a fake save of data into a database that can then be used for testing or to help give you some interesting data while you are developing your application. So that's pretty clear. We will use this data to test the client APIs and to return some data. So we will install this bundle using Composer as usual, but we have a problem since I'm using the Symfony 3.1 version. I need to make some changes. If you are using Symfony 3.3 or 3.4 versions, you won't have a problem using this Composer command. But in my case, in the packages, the PHP package repository, I'm gonna make some changes. This is the last version, so it supports the framework bundle 3.3 or 5.0. So I'm gonna use this version. It's 2.4 or 0.1. So I'm gonna use this version, and to use this, I'm gonna add it here in Composer by JSON in the dev. So we're gonna use the DoctrineFixtures bundle only in the dev environment. So I'm gonna type Doctrine /Fixtures bundle, and then two point 4.1. So now we just launch our command Composer update, and after a while it will update almost every bundle that we have, every component, and also this fixtures bundle that we need. So it will take a while, and after a while everything looks great. Our doctrine is installed, so we could use it. We need to enable the bundle and activate it in the dev environment, so we need to add this here in the app panel. We need to add it here, only in the dev environment, not here in every environment. So with that, we added our we enabled our DoctrineFixtures. So we're gonna write fixtures and then use this to add the informations, to add the data to our database. But before that, we need to create the database, and also we need to create the entity that we will store the information, and to update our schema. So let's create the database. Here in the parameters, we could name our database, for example, JTW Symfony, and then so PHP Doctrine database create. We could use either these shortcuts, or we could type Doctrine database create. Those are the same. No connection, so I need to open WAMP server. So WAMP server is not open. Our database is now created. So we need to create the product entity. So we need to generate PHP. Yeah, and we need the entity. So let's put our information. So we're gonna create it in the app bundle that defines the product. This is our entity name. We will use the annotations. Fields, we will just create the name field of the entity product. Should be string 55 and false 20 false, and that's it. So now we will have the product entity here, and in the next tutorial we will add the JmsSerializer here, so that we will expose just the name in the API, not the ID. We will not show the ID in the results. We only will show the name. So we will expose the name to the response of the API. So see you in the next tutorial, where we will use this entity and we will generate products.